Good afternoon, welcome to Season where the platform where we speak truth to power. We're getting some information that President Tinubu has suspended 5% excise tax on telecom services. That's good news. You're trying to obviously, you know, support business. Yeah, it makes sense. The arbitrary increase of taxes and things. There's a lot more of those kind of nonsensical taxes in the system. Yes, we applaud what has been done, and when we see something good that's been done in that way, fine. But the fundamental still remains. The refineries must be fixed. So tinkering on the edges, not really making a change in that way on how it impacts the people. But this is this is a good move in the right direction. Let's hear what was said here, carried by, of course, TVC News. Let's go ahead.
Well, news just reaching us here. Now, breaking news. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has signed 4 executive orders into law to curb arbitrary taxation policy in the country. Special Advisor, Special Duties, Communication and Strategy to the President, Dele Alake, announced this to State House correspondents moments ago. Among the executive orders signed into law by the President includes the Finance Act Effective Date Variation Order 2023. The second order involves the Customs Excise Tariff Variation Amendment Order 2023. President Tinubu has also given an order suspending the 5% excise tax on telecommunications services, as well as the excise duties escalation on locally manufactured products. We'll bring you more on this in our subsequent bulletin.
So that's very good. That's by TVC News. Well said. I mean, it's a good thing. Those are quick wins. I call them quick wins. They are quick wins in the sense that doesn't make sense for in terms of promoting business for that to happen. But the real fundamentals of how you can help a business is ensuring that they have the electricity, the infrastructure that's in place to allow uninterrupted power supply. That is where the issue of the refineries comes in. Those refineries need to be repaired, not building new refineries in 2 years' time. The best thing that can be done right now, the best solution that can be achieved right now, is to go and look at the refineries and fix them using independent people within the country who are experts in this field and rapidly get those refineries functioning and processing the oil. Right now, as we speak, the lack of functioning, the fact that those refineries are not functioning, this bunch of politicians are making corrupt politicians who are in government are making millions at the expense of the people. So this is a quick win. This is good. We support that. I'm saying it on screen so that people will not come and say I'm against anybody. I'm not. It doesn't. By the way, it doesn't matter who's in government now. If it could be Tinubu, it could be Atiku, it could be Obi. The fundamentals will not change because the structure of the system is such in a bad way that I'm telling you, if it was Peter Obi that was in government now, he would not be able to immediately get the refineries fixed immediately because he will face the same problems. And that is where you and I come in. That is why I'm saying it. We need to begin to actively participate in our governance on a daily basis. You're, of course, watching Citizen AY, the platform where we speak truth to power. Please do share this broadcast. Help us reach more people. Yeah, good news. He suspends the 5% excise tax on telecom services. Yeah, good plan. It makes sense. We want to try and aid business to actually grow rather than actually stifle business. And the thing is, he apparently he's removed taxes on manufacturing, in local manufacturing. Again, that's a good move. We will say when something is good, but we overall issue still remains. The top priority remains those refineries must be fixed. And that's what we must all be shouting, banging on about until they do it. And we must compel them using our powers, collective powers as sovereigns, to compel our governors to do the bidding to ease the pains of our people. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Citizen AY, the platform where we speak truth to power. Don't forget, subscribe to Citizen AY, hit the notification button, and help us reach more people. Leave comments. We really appreciate your support. Subscribe, hit the notification button, give us a thumbs up. Help us reach more people. We really need this information to get far and wide, to be something that people can really key in on, because it's very, very important that we begin to actively participate in our governance. Thank you for watching. You've been watching Citizen AY, the platform where we speak truth to power. I'll be back later on. Bye for now.